Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. 5 minus 8 times 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 will give us minus 3 times 5 minus 8 will give us minus 3. Minus 3 times minus 3 will give us what? 9. But this answer is not correct. According to our order of operation, B stands for bracket, which is also known as parenthesis. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So if we follow our order of operation, our answer is going to look like this. So we have to first of all solve what is inside the parenthesis. 5 minus 8 will give us minus 3. Remember, there is an invisible multiplication here. When a number is close to parenthesis, it is multiplication. So we put our multiplication sign here, 8, and this, like this. Now, remember, in our order of operation, multiplication comes before division. So we have to multiply minus 8 times minus 3. Minus 8 times minus 3 will give us positive 24. 5 plus 24 will give us what? 29. So 29 is our final answer.